Another way is by defining segments. Segments are defined here with the same variables that we were filtering before. It's just that they're preset, and you can drill more information, and you can build better reports, CSVs or PDFs, by using segments. They're a little bit cleaner. So in this case, we're gonna create a new custom segment, and we're gonna for this case we're gonna use region, and we're gonna look into I think we don't have Alberta, but let's say it's Alberta. In that case, it's easy to define. We test the segment, and most likely we don't have many people from there. Let's preview. Oh, I'm going to call this Alberta. What this is going to do is it's going to give us oh, we do have some traffic from Alberta, and by testing it, we have 6 visits, and we save the segment. Then means that we can use it, and it's going to display even if we're in all traffic. If we then define it, in this case we are just reading Alberta, all the sources where they came from, and we can add other segments as well from Victoria. We can take that out for all of North America, other US states. So we have Alberta included, we have Victoria, BC, if I want to know exactly, Alberta, BC, and other US places. Then I apply, and it just displays nicely each of them, which is why it makes it so easier and nicer to use on reports. A huge advantage of doing this is that then you can do another secondary dimension on top of that. For example, content. Or and we can use defined values or defined variables that we can ask later to our own links through the Urchin tagging system. Another one is using these keywords like traffic sources, which we can define as well, and we will see these in the next step. And so we can search by keyword, and just by clicking that, it's going to tell us some of the different keywords that were either used or defined in the link itself. By campaign, if we break it down by campaign, let's open this a little bit more. By adding to the segments, let's add basically everyone, or Canada. Let's take out US. Let's leave Alberta. Let's leave and Canada, so almost everyone. So some are going to show repeated, but we can see that the contrast and what the representation is, how much weight they have. So once I define this and I want to know by campaign, some of these campaigns I predefined in the URL tagging system with Google. So let's open this to 50, and you will see that in some of them I've defined the campaign as permanent social media, which is I'm always going to use that one on LinkedIn. I'm not changing. This is the way I define my campaigns. And I have this one, the TL Intro Social Media Camp Conference. It's part of the campaigns, how I document those, and then I report. And the same with here, with my signature in my email, which it's a continuous campaign. I just call it continuous. A lot of things that are continuous, I keep them under that. And I can see where they are coming from. Obviously, everybody from Victoria, or most of them, only for people from somewhere else in Canada.